GnuCash, open the register you want to export the accounts from. Once opened, from the File menu, we're going to click on File, Export. We're going to choose Export Account Tree to CSV. CSV stands for comma separated value. So once we click that, we're going to follow the instructions on the left-hand side panel. The first one is choose Export Settings, and we're going to leave it as comma. And then we're going to click Next. Under Choose File Name for Export, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select my desktop, and then I'm going to give it a name. And I'm going to call it List of Accounts. And then click Next. Under Export Now, it says the account tree will be exported to the file, whatever you have designated, when you click Apply. So in this case, I'm going to click Apply. And now it says that the file exported successfully. So you have completed the first step. Now we're going to close this window. The second step is we're going to import that file that we just created. So we're going to go back to the File menu, click File. In this case, we're going to choose Import. And then within the Import menu, we're going to choose Import Accounts from CSV. We're going to follow the same instructions as we did under the export process. We're going to follow the instructions here for import. So under Import Account Assistant, the assistant is going to give you some instructions here. You can read it as you wish, but for now, I'm going to click Next. Under Choose File to Import, in this case, we're going to find the location where we exported the file. And now we're going to look for that location, and then we're going to import or select that file. In this case, mine was stored on the desktop, and I called it List of Accounts. So I'm going to select List of Accounts and then click Next. Under Import Account Preview, comma, first 10 rows only, we're going to leave everything as is. Then we click Next. The next one is Import Accounts Now. The accounts will be imported from the file or the folder or location where you designated it from when you click Apply. So then we're going to click Apply. Under Import Summary, import completed successfully. So you have completed the second step. Now we can close this window. You completed the export and import process. So now we're going to save this register as a new register. So from the File menu, click File. Now we're going to select Save As. And from here, again, you can find the location where you want to store it. But for the purpose of this video, again, I'm going to leave it on my desktop, and I'm going to call it my 2021 register. And then we click Save As. And that's it. Here's the name. Here's the new register called My 2021 Register. So you have completed the process. You successfully created your new register in GnuCash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and be well.